Row 42, the count is correct.
Okay, moving to 43, check the moisture levels on that batch.
Hold it, swing left slightly. Okay, bring it down slowly.
Row 42, the count is correct.
Okay, moving to 43, check the moisture levels on that batch.
Each banana stem contains up to 70% usable natural fiber. This is the raw material that will become premium, eco-friendly textile.
Using advanced sensors, the stems are rapidly categorized by size and quality, ensuring only the best.
The steam softening process is critical, right? It loosens the cellular bonds within the banana stem, making fiber extraction 90%.
Check this section here. The consistency seems slightly off.
The spectrophotometer confirms the color saturation is uniform across the sample.
After our 7-stage purification process gave us, the fiber achieves 98% purity, comparable to premium cotton.
Massive chamber utilizes AI to precisely mix the banana fibers, ensuring perfect consistency for the next stage of production.
Precise temperature control during drying is absolutely critical. We maintain exactly 65 degrees Celsius to preserve the fiber's natural. Our quality control lab tests every single batch: tensile strength, fiber length, moisture content, and purity.
The quality control team systematically samples fiber from each production roll.
All systems are reading green.
Confirmed. Submitting final approval.
Listen, this natural banana fiber fabric is stronger than cotton, naturally antibacterial, and fully biodegradable.
Using advanced AI, the system identifies defects and diverts the rejected pieces, ensuring only quality materials move forward.
This is the foreign age. This is the final stage seed, where our premium banana fiber product gets packaged to international standards and prepared for delivery. birthday. What makes this factory truly special is our zero waste philosophy. Banana stems that farmers would burn as agricultural.
The integration of AI logistics allows us to track inventory in real time, streamlining the entire supply chain process.
Copy that, Unit 7. Bring the next pallet to Bay 4.